Here we got the entry criteria like high time frame key level, weekly profile, daily profile, and then the multi-time frame analysis I'll be telling you there. So clear drawn liquidity, H4 power of 3, and the market maker model. So now we got the high time frame key level as a monthly, weekly, daily as an internal range or the external range liquidities, the old high and old lows. So next we got the weekly profile like the Tuesday reversal, Wednesday reversal, and then Thursday reversal, the Friday TGIF. So we got this open low high close of a weekly candle. The Tuesday should be the low of the week, and then the Friday TGIF. Or maybe it can be the Wednesday low of the week and then the weekly's expansion. So it's important to frame the weekly profile and then the trades. And the daily profile will be the London reversal. Most of the time, we will be focusing on the New York continuation regarding this London reversal and then the New York reversal. Most of the time, it will be the New York reversal on the NASDAQ, right? And then we got this multi-time frame analysis like daily H1 M5 as a day trader. And then we'll be focusing on this H4, M15 and M1 for the silver bullet entries on the H4, like the market maker models. I'll be telling you there. So comment down your favorite pair and then what you're struggling on this concept. I'll be making the next video on that. So now we got this daily as an high time frame and then the H1 as an intermediate time frame and this as an short term. So we'll be discussing on this examples. Like the next criteria is the clear drawn liquidity, the low resistance liquidity, right? The LRLR. We should have the clear drawn liquidity as in there's a low resistance failure swings. So we can just target it as an LRLR move, like the massive move. Now we got this H4 power of the open high low close and then the open low high close of an individual H4 candle. Now we got the 10 a.m. as an power of 3 and then I'll be teaching you that how you can just position on the market maker model silver bullet regarding this. We not only be using the 10 a.m. and the other time frame also. So the market maker models, the first step of distribution or second step of distribution is the key here. Actually, we got this nice depiction of the market maker cell model. We got this SMR, the original consolidation. The low risk cell has been planted here, and then we got this short term high, intermediate term high, and then the short term high, which will be the key component for the silver bullet here. Now you got the first example. Here we got the NASDAQ chart, daily key level with the weekly profile. We got this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then what's this? This is a Thursday. This daily key level and then Thursday reversal, which tells us the context, which will be the sell off here, which will be a retracement move. Now we got the 4-hour external to internal here, premium versus discount. We got the internal range liquidity, and then this is the external to the internal range liquidity. So we got this M15 market maker sell model here, which is the intermediate time frame, right? And then we got this M15 market maker model with the silver bullet. Like this is the H4 internal range liquidity as in drawn liquidity, and then we got this first day of distribution, the short-term high, intermediate term high, and then the short-term high. Now we got this silver bullet here, and then we got this S&T at highs. What's this time? This is the 10 a.m., right? So you got this nice context here with this intermediate time frame. Now we got to switch to the M1 at this fair value gap, and then just need to trade the M1 market maker model. I got this nice low here, the 10 a.m. open high, and also this 11 a.m. Got the nice SMT at the highs, and then the change in the state of delivery, this M1 order block, right? So here we got the fractal silver bullet, like as you can see the price actually creating the fractal silver bullet, this one piece of move. Trust me, this one single move and then this one piece of move is enough for the week. Like 2 trades will be the best. So here we got the same scenario, but this time it will be the internal to the external, right? So H4 internal to the external, but we got this M15 different time frame, right? The 6 a.m. power of 3. I told you that we will be focusing on the H4 power of 3. The M15 market maker buy model with the H4 power of 3. So here we got the intermediate time frame and then the short term perspective here, M1, which will be the market maker buy model here. Yeah, it will be the clean delivery to the upside. As you can see, the down close candle supporting the price higher. So the next example on the daily chart, this will be the best example. So here you got the open low high close of a weekly candle. So this is a Tuesday reversal, and then what is that? This is a high time frame key level, old high, and then this is the drawn liquidity internal range, external to internal, premium to discount, everything is fractal. So it will happen again and again. Now we got this hedge fund chart. Here we got the 10 a.m. opening price, and then high has been created. Now you can see that price, it has the LRL to this discounted price, and now we have this daily FEGS and drawn liquidity. So it just took the Asia session high, and then what? Guess what? It just dropped. So now we are at the M15 market maker sell model, and this is the low risk sell here. You can just position off in the M1 structure with, and then now we got this M15 PD array, which is the fair value gap and then distribution leg, right? So you gotta switch here to the 1 minute and then frame the market maker sell model here. So this is a silver bullet approach. We can just frame ourselves with the high probability scenarios and the high probability criteria. So if you're not using this as a silver bullet criteria, you're actually making a mistake. So it's not about the 10 a.m. It's not about the what the FEG and then the MSS. It's about the right context with the right place. So you gotta position off in the right place. So hope you enjoyed this video. So let me know in the comments how did you feel about this video, and then just mention your struggles. I'll be making a video on that. Thank you.